creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be.
So now, I will be reading the first birthday message. Happy birthday, Bayet! I am so happy that you will be celebrating the 18th year of your life. We have known each other for the longest time, and I know your feelings in taking steps forward to a new phase of your life. For all these years, we have dreamed of going to college together. And this is it. Our dreams are coming true. I really pray to God that we both stay together even in college days, because we have so many things to do, many more things to explore, and more years to live. You are one of the closest friends I have. You are that person with whom I can sit and talk to for the longest time. We don't need to go to the other places to enjoy every moment and to relax, because with you, I feel I can just be me. Char. Since nagka-close ta, I can share my feelings, my crushes, and dramas in life. You're always there for me in the time that I need you the most. Salamat, Bayet. So lucky to have you in my life as my best friend, as my sisi. Kanindot sa feeling, oy. And this is because you are a wonderful person with a beautiful heart. You are truly an amazing friend, a friendly person. Pinamamapaganahan jud ko sa imong amiga day ba, kay smiling, then hinagarun. Char. I really pray to Almighty God that you will make the right choices and always walk to the right path of success. I hope that you shine bright in your studies and win the hearts of the people around you. I hope that you will face all the challenges in life with strength and confidence, and don't give up, especially in bad times. And I promised that I will always stand by you through good and bad. Your birthday is a reminder that our friendship has got another year older. And before I end my sweet greetings for you, I just want you to say that I love you, my sissy friend. Thanks for being my best friend forever. Let us gear up to explore more years together. Yay! Once again, happy 18th birthday to Juliet Bertes from Imee, Morata. Hi, Inday! Happy 18th birthday! Enjoy your day! Ate loves you so much. I'm here to support you always, aside sa uyab-uyab. Missed you all. Always take care wherever you are. Don't be sad, kay bisag wala si ate diha, love man ta mo kaayo. This is not just your special day, but mine too. I want to tell you that I love you and I promise to be by your side. Though I'm not with you right now to hug you tight, but I'm sending you my best wishes through this surprise. I pray to Almighty God to shower you with all the happiness in this world. May He bless you with all the strength to become a wonderful woman whom will be the best example for others. May you are successful in everything you do. May you have a wonderful day. I love you, Baday. Miss you all. Ate Jhoanne. This surprise is from Ate Jhoanne.
Such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room.
Thank you kayo, Tim. Ako nag-expect kami. Okay.
So sa may ka-istorya sa iyong best friend.
Thank you so much. Ikaw kamalag. Yes, kaya ninyo. Ate Rosler, thank you so much. Ate Joanne.
Kaso ka istorya ka pang best friend.